Hi, I'm Pete from HubSpot, and today I'm going to explain digital marketing. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Post any questions or suggestions you have in the comments below. Let's get started. Marketing has always been about connecting with your audience in the right place at the right time. Today, that means you need to meet them where they're already spending their time, on the internet. Enter digital marketing. Digital marketing is any form of marketing that exists online. This encompasses all marketing efforts that use an electronic device or the internet. Businesses leverage digital channels such as search engines, social media, email, and websites to connect with current and prospective customers. The best digital marketers have a clear picture of how each digital marketing campaign supports their overarching business goals. If you're using social media networks, online content creation, or email to support your marketing efforts, then you're already leveraging digital marketing. A few other common digital marketing tactics include marketing automation and search engine optimization, often abbreviated as SEO. Digital marketers are in charge of driving brand awareness and lead generation through all of these digital channels. The digital marketer usually focuses on a different key performance indicator, or KPI, for each channel, so they can properly measure the company's performance across each one. A digital marketer who's in charge of SEO, for example, measures their website's organic traffic. That's traffic coming from visitors who discovered your website from a Google search. Digital marketing is carried out across many different roles today. In small companies, one marketing generalist might own many of the tactics described above. In larger companies, these tactics have multiple specialists who each focus on just one or two of the brand's digital channels. Digital marketing can work for any business in any industry. Regardless of how big your company is or what you sell, investing in a digital marketing strategy can help you grow better. Need some additional help getting started with digital marketing? Click the link above to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe. Let me know how you're doing in the comments below.